we have a huge addressable market. You can't have one message fits all because everyone's different. Everyone responds to different messages. Say for TikTok, an example, I do a lot of marketing, but I just couldn't run that account because I can't communicate as effectively as someone who's in Gen Z, who's the biggest user of TikTok. My job as the owner is to try get people that can manage those sorts of channels for us, provide the sorts of content that people find amusing or interesting or captivating. If we want to play in that channel, we had to bring someone on internally, have them in the office, understand the business. I let them, in most cases, take the lead because my job is to get people that are better and smarter than me to run the functions that I don't know. TikTok is not really about the standard communication of this is my product, this is the benefits. It's just not like that. And the more that I looked at other people's TikToks and businesses and understood the algorithm a bit more, it was all about emotional connection. How does someone on TikTok buy into what is currently happening in this business? That meant we couldn't just continue using an agency to create content because you weren't really learning anything about us as a business, about the people, what we really thought or believed in. I had to make a call to say, well, this is not working, but we do need someone internal who can capture all these moments and create that connection between the brand and the customer. And that's so unique because that doesn't really exist in many other marketing channels.